Why is seed germination important for plant growth? Imagine planting a tiny seed and watching it transform into a lush green plant. That moment of change is called germination, and it is the first step in a plant's life cycle. When you see a seed sprout, it is actually beginning a complex process that leads to plant growth. This process is essential because it starts the journey from a dormant seed to an active, growing plant that can produce leaves, flowers, and fruits. At the start of germination, the seed absorbs water from its surroundings. This water activates enzymes inside the seed that break down stored nutrients. These nutrients are like fuel, giving energy to the tiny embryonic root, called the radicle, to push out of the seed. The radicle is the first part to emerge, and it anchors the plant into the soil while absorbing water and minerals. Soon after, the shoot, known as the plumule, begins to grow upward. It will develop leaves that allow the plant to perform photosynthesis, which is how plants turn sunlight into energy for further growth. Germination is vital for many reasons. It allows plants to reproduce and continue their species. Without germination, new plants cannot grow, and ecosystems would struggle to stay balanced. Crops like wheat, rice, and maize depend on successful germination to produce healthy plants and good harvests. This process also helps forests regenerate naturally, supporting wildlife and maintaining biodiversity. When roots grow into the soil, they help hold the soil in place, preventing erosion. Plants also absorb carbon dioxide during photosynthesis, helping to regulate the climate. Environmental factors like water, oxygen, temperature, and sometimes light influence germination. Seeds stay dormant until these conditions are just right, making sure they only grow when chances of survival are high. Inside the seed, hormones like gibberellic acid and abscisic acid control the process, turning dormancy into active growth. Understanding how germination works helps farmers improve crop yields, conserve native plants, and manage plant diseases better. In everyday life, seed germination explains how plants start their journey from tiny seeds to full-grown plants. It is the beginning of the food we eat, the air we breathe, and the beauty of nature around us. Watching a seed sprout can satisfy curiosity about how life begins and continues in the plant kingdom. It connects us to the natural cycles that keep our environment healthy and thriving.